Okay. Uh, in the first photo, I am with my mother. She is 35 years old, works in an office, and likes everything related to the church. In the second photo, I am with my little sister. She is 7 years old and she's a student and likes to play on the tablet. In the third photo, I am with my maternal grandfathers, and they are pensioners, and they both really like to go out to eat and walk around the city. And this is a photo, sorry. And the third photo is this. Fourth photo is this. I am with my father. He is 53 years old. He works in the family business and he likes to go for a family walk. Thank you.